extent of the loop. Now, who comes into the home straight via the top or the lower bend? Well, just the 4 distancers come to the home straight via the lower bend. Their races over 7 furlongs, a mile and 1, and a mile and 3. In our opening race today, it's over a mile and a half, so they will return via the top bend. For our big race, over 5 furlongs, it's pretty simple. It's straight down the straight course. So that's a look at where we'll be running today. I hear, a little bird tells me, that Ed Chamberlain has decided to invest just some of his millions